Hi folks, today we're going to be cooking pan-fried tofu, pan-fried spicy tofu with, I'm going to put some white mushroom on top. Here you go. I just sliced the tofu, this is about a pound of tofu, 4 pieces of tofu, I sliced them. And then I'm going to slice this white mushroom. I'm going to add this, I'm going to tip it up on my tofu, and then I'm using this very spicy chili pepper. Okay, here I just heat up my frying pan, and then I add about 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm going to add about maybe another tablespoon of soy sauce, or maybe 1.5 tablespoon of soy sauce. And I'm not gonna let it very hot. I'm gonna start putting my tofu down, because if I wait it get too hot, it will spark too much oil. And just like that, and then let it pan fry until it get very crispy. I'm going to add the 3 pieces of chili. We'll add it right in, and then I'm just going to pan fry this on a medium heat until it gets crispy, brown and crispy. So folks, as you can see, it's now golden brown. So I'm going to put this tofu on the side, and then I'm going to start saute the mushroom with garlic. So I just put about a teaspoon of garlic, chopped garlic, and then add the white mushroom, sliced white mushroom. I'm just going to saute this for until it gets tender. As the mushroom starts to get soft, I'm going to add the salt and pepper, just a little bit. So I'm gonna make the sauce. The sauce I'm gonna use about 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and then I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. Oh, yeah, about that much. And then I'm gonna put some oyster sauce, about 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Also 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. I'm just gonna stir it, and then add a little bit of water, maybe 1 tablespoon of water. For my sauce, I'm just going to add about 1 tablespoon of oil, and then I'll add the sauce that I made in here. Just stir it, and then add a few drops of sesame seed oil. Okay. Let me just taste it. That's ready. Now this is ready. Hi folks, I just add the chopped parsley, or I'm sorry, cilantro, and now I'm gonna top it up with my sauté mushroom. That's my sauté mushroom. And the final touch will be the sauce that I just made. Now I'm going to add the sauce that I made. So there you go, folks. This is my pan-fried tofu. Top it up with mushroom. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.